This day is really about honoring our veterans, the men and women who have served in our military and have served our country so well.
Today is the groundbreaking on our 7th Veterans Housing Project home. And the Veterans Housing Project is all about providing safe, secure, and affordable housing for up to 2 years for veterans and their families that are returning from overseas deployment. What is really special about today is Seneca Sawmill is sponsoring the home and providing the resources to actually make this a possibility and a reality.
We were approached about 6 months ago about this project, and we thought what a better way to extend our support of the veterans by helping out with this house.
I pledge allegiance to the flag.
This house is just one small gesture in supporting our returning veterans and their families as they integrate back to Eugene community, a community that Seneca has supported for over 60 years. We're also proud to see this house built with local wood products. Wood products including lumber from Seneca, from sustainably managed forests, manufactured and utilized right here in the Eugene community.
I have to thank very much Seneca Sawmill. This is an absolute generous donation on your part. And I know the company and the managers and the employees of that company support veterans and community projects in a number of ways, and this is just a great example of that.
Aaron Jones, founder of Seneca and former veteran, would be very proud to be part of this project, and I know that he's proud that Seneca is part of it as well.
All right, let's break some ground.
All right.
Go to it, John.
These homes are really well done. And so they move into a home that essentially is a brand new home, and it's a place for them and their families to feel good about.
It's going to allow those veterans to come back here and get a foothold back into the community with their families as they get acclimated.
It's a very practical way to say welcome home to our veterans, to honor their service, to respect what they've done for us.
On behalf of Seneca, its owners, and its employees, we thank our veterans who have so proudly served our country, the Veterans Housing Project Group, and our community. We look forward to this project and the successes it will bring. So thanks again on behalf of Seneca.